Welcome to Redline Review.
BMW's 2026 Campervan Motorhome, which combines the brand's renowned performance and design with the conveniences of high-end mobile living, is the company's daring foray into the luxury recreational vehicle industry. Here is a summary of the features that this cutting-edge RV has to offer. Design and construction of the exterior. Reflecting the brand's contemporary design language, BMW's Campervan features a sleek, aerodynamic shape with clean lines and a unique front grille. Incorporating solar panels onto the roof not only makes it more environmentally friendly, but it also gives onboard systems extra power. Amenities and interior. The Campervan's inside provides an opulent living area furnished with smart home integration. Use voice commands or a central touchscreen interface to control the lighting, climate, and entertainment systems. Premium materials. An elegant atmosphere is produced with fine finishing, such as leather upholstery and wood accents. Functional layout. Convenience when traveling is ensured by a small restroom, cozy sleeping quarters, and a thoughtfully planned kitchen space. Technology and performance. The Campervan is anticipated to have the following features, which are built on BMW's cutting-edge platform. Efficient powertrain, an electric or hybrid drivetrain that strikes a compromise between sustainability and performance. Advanced driver assistance. Features that make driving easier include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, and parking aid. Cost and availability. The 2026 BMW Campervan Motorhome is expected to be priced in the premium market, reflecting its luxurious amenities and BMW's brand value, even though official pricing details have not yet been released.